Hello friends, today we will discuss chapter 2 in Mathematics 1B, transformation of axis. So, transformation is of two types. One is translation of axis, the other one is rotation of axis. Translation of axis means moving the origin to a different point. Rotation of axis means moving the axis with angle, like if this is the coordinate plane, so you are shifting it with some angle. That means you are shifting it like this. So this is known as rotation of axis. So here today we will discuss translation of axis. So consider this coordinate plane. This is origin. So this origin from this point, it has been shifted to this point h comma k, that is 2 comma 3. See here you can find out I have written 1, 2, 3. So the coordinates of the new origin are 2 and 3. Okay. So with respect to old axis, all the points will have some different coordinates. But with respect to the new axis, all the coordinates will be changed accordingly. So consider a point P. So with respect to the old axis, it is having 3 comma 4 as its coordinates, but according to the new axis it is having 1 comma 1. So I'll tell you formula how to convert. So this is the formula. We are representing old axis as a small x, new axis as a capital X. This is shifted origin. So what is shifted origin? So this is shifted origin. Okay. So y coordinates as y dash plus k. So let's check whether this formula is working or not. So consider the old axis as 3 comma 4 and new one as 1 comma 1. And shifted origin is 2 comma 3. So here I have written here. Okay. What is old one? 3. So 3. X dash. What is x dash? 1. What is h? 2. So whatever formula we have taken is correct. So you can verify here also. These are the formulas to. So whenever they have given x and x dash, you can find out h. So otherwise if they have given x and h, you can find out x dash. So if any two are given, the other one you can find out using this formula. So we will do exercise. When the origin is shifted to 4 comma minus 5, what is the meaning? So h comma k is equal to 4 comma minus 5. So by translation of axis, okay, here they are doing translation, that means shifting the origin to a new point. Find the coordinates of the following points with reference to new axis. So what is given? If they are asking to find new axis, what is the given one? This is the old axis. So we have formula x is equal to capital X dash plus h. This is old, this is new, this is the shifted origin. So here you can substitute. What is given? 0 is equal to x dash. What is x dash? We don't know. We have to find out. H is 4. So x dash is equal to minus 4. Okay. So y also you have to find out. Y is equal to capital Y dash plus k. So given y, small y is 3. Y dash you have to find out. So what is k? K here is minus 5. So shifting minus 5 this side, you will get y dash is equal to 8. So x dash and y dash are minus 4 comma 8. So we will do similar problem. So what is given? They have given old axis and they are asking us to find out new axis. And they have also given the shifted origin. What is the shifted origin? 4 comma minus 5. So substitute in the formula. Small x is equal to capital X plus h. Small y is equal to capital Y plus k. Small x. What is small x? Minus 2 is equal to x dash. What is x dash? We don't know. So h, 4. X dash is equal to minus 2 minus 4. So x dash is minus 6. So similarly you have to find this one also. Y. What is y? 4. You have to find out y dash. Plus what is k? Minus 5. Send minus 5 to this side. Then you will get y dash is equal to 9. So the coordinates of a point with respect to the new axis are minus 6 comma 9. Okay, we will do similar problem. So given old axis, you have to find out new axis. They have given shifted origin. Shifted origin is 4 comma minus 5. For all the three sums they have given in the question as shifted origin is 4 comma minus 5. Okay. Small x is equal to x dash plus h. Y is equal to y dash plus k. So you can change the formula like this also. X dash is equal to small x minus h. Y dash is equal to small y minus k. Directly you can find out then. 4 minus 4. Okay. Minus 5 minus of minus 5. That is plus 5. This is 0, 0. Okay, we are done with the first sum. Let us do the second sum. The origin is shifted to, whenever it is given origin is shifted to, you have to simply take h comma k is equal to 2 comma 3. Okay, by the translation of axis. If the coordinates of a point P changes as follows, find the coordinates of the point P in the original system. Original system means they have given the new one. Original or old is small x comma small y. So we already have small x comma small y formula. Small x is equal to capital X dash plus h. Small y is equal to capital Y dash plus k. So what is a small x? Small x you have to find out. They have given 4 plus 2. So small x is 6. Small y is y dash. What is y dash? 5 plus 3. So you will get y is equal to 8. So x comma y are 6 comma 8. Okay. We'll do another problem. So they have given new axis, and in the question they have given shifted origin. What is the shifted origin? 2 comma 3. Okay. So you have to find out. Small x is equal to capital X dash plus h. Small y is equal to capital Y dash plus k. Small x. What is small x? We don't know. We have to find out. Minus 4 plus 2. Small x minus 2. Y is equal to 3 plus 3. Y is equal to 6. So small x comma small y are minus 2 comma 6. So next one. They have given old axis is shifted to 0 comma 0. Here you can find out the origin is not shifted. See, originally it is a sorry. They have given old axis, and the shifted origin h comma k is 2 comma 3. So they are asking us to find out the old axis. Small x is equal to capital X dash plus h. Small y is equal to capital Y dash plus k. Small x we don't know. We know capital X plus 2. X is equal to 2. Y is equal to 0 plus 3. Y is equal to 3. So small x comma small y are 2 comma 3. Okay, Let's see the other problem. Find the point to which the origin is to be shifted so that the point may change to. Here they have not given h comma k. You can clearly observe. Find the point to which the origin is to be shifted. So they are asking us to find out the shifted origin only. So h comma k we don't know. So they have given so that the point may be changed to. So this will be small x comma small y. This is capital X dash capital Y dash. We have formula small x is equal to capital X plus h. Small y is equal to capital Y dash plus k. So we have to find out h. For h what is the formula? X minus capital X dash. For k what is the formula? Small y minus capital Y dash. So here you can see 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 that is 1. H is equal to 1. What is k? Small y. 0 minus 3. 0 minus of minus 3. That means k is plus 3. So h comma k are 1 comma 3. Now let us do the fourth sum in the exercise. Okay. See, when the origin is shifted to, that means they have given h comma k. H comma k is minus 1 comma 2. By the translation of axis, find the transformed equation of the following. So according to the old axis, this is the equation of some curve, okay, some curve, or this is some circle is there. So according to the old axis, this is the equation of this circle. But whenever the origin is shifted to some point, what will be the transformed equation of this curve? So we know small x is equal to capital X plus h. Small y is equal to capital Y plus k. So what is given? They have given small only. They are asking us to find capital. Okay. See, when small is given, you have to substitute. Small x is equal to small x they have given. Small x is what? Capital X dash. We don't know what is capital X dash. This is capital X dash only. You have to add h minus 1. So small y. What is small y? Capital Y dash plus 2. So this is small x. This is small y. This equation is also in small x and small y only. So you have to substitute this in this equation to transform this equation according to the shifted origin. Okay. Now substitute. Capital X dash minus 1 whole square plus capital Y dash plus 2 whole square plus 2 into capital X dash minus 1 minus 4 into capital Y dash plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. This is nothing but a minus b whole square. You can expand. X dash square minus 2x dash plus 1 plus y dash square plus 4y dash plus 4 plus 2x dash minus 2 minus 4y dash minus 8 plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Capital X dash square plus capital Y dash square. Later on you have minus 2x plus 2x will cancel. Minus 4y plus 4y will cancel. You have 5 plus 5 minus 2 minus 8 minus 10 plus 1. So capital X dash square capital Y dash square. So here minus 5 plus 1, that is nothing but minus 4 is equal to 0. So capital X dash square plus capital Y dash square is equal to 4. This is the transformed equation. Here in the textbook it is given as a capital X dash, but some students and some teachers will consider capital X minus 1. No problem if you consider capital X also, but according to me I always prefer using capital X dash. but sometimes it will be very hard to write all time capital X dash, so you can use capital X and capital Y in this formula. This is the second sum in the previous problem only. They have given h comma k and they are asked, this is the equation according to the old axis or original axis. They are asking us to find according to the new axis. Small x is equal to capital X dash plus h. Small y is equal to capital Y dash plus k. So what is small x? Small x is capital X dash minus 1. What is small y? Capital Y dash plus k. Okay, k is nothing but 2. Just substitute. 2 into capital X minus 1 whole square plus capital Y dash plus 2 whole square minus 4 into capital X minus 1 plus 4 into capital Y dash plus 2 is equal to 0. So 2 into x dash square minus 2x dash plus 1 y dash square plus 4y dash plus 4 minus 4x dash plus 4 plus 4y dash plus 8 is equal to 0. So let's simply use a capital X and a capital Y. This capital X dash is becoming very hard. So 2 capital X square minus 2 2s are 4. 4 capital X plus 2 plus y square plus 4y plus 4 minus 4x plus 4 plus 4y plus 8. So here we have 2x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4x minus 8x plus 4y plus 4y plus 8y plus 6 plus 4 plus 8, that is 18 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the curve according to the new axis. Here you can write, therefore this is the transformed equation. This is the fifth sum in the exercise. The point to which the origin is shifted and the transformed equation are given below. That means this is h comma k. This is the equation in capital X plus capital Y square is equal to 4. They have given the transformed equation and they are asking us to find the original equation. Okay, they have given capital X equation. They are asking us to find small x equation. So what is given here, that only you have to take formula. So small x is equal to capital X plus h. Small y is equal to capital Y plus k. But what is given here? Capital X. So that formula you have to use. So capital X is equal to small x minus h. Capital Y is equal to small y minus k. Okay. Small x minus 3. Capital Y is equal to small y. Small y minus of minus 4. That means plus 4. Just substitute this. Capital X is equal to x minus 3. Capital Y is equal to y plus 4 in this equation. So you will have small x minus 3 whole square plus small y plus 4 whole square is equal to 4. You will get x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square plus 8y plus 16 is equal to 4. So x square plus y square minus 6x plus 8y, 25 minus 4, that is 21 is equal to 0. So this is the original equation, that is original equation. That means according to the old axis. This is the equation according to the old axis. But previously they have given according to the new. This one they have given according to new they have given. You are finding according to the old. So we will do another problem in this model. So they have given capital X formula. So capital X only you have to use. That means first of all you have to write the formula capital X plus H. Small y is equal to capital Y plus K. So from here you have to find small capital X is equal to small x minus H. Capital Y is equal to small y minus K. So what is given H value? What is given K value? You have to substitute. Later on this one you have to substitute in the given equation. So small x plus 1 whole square plus 2 into small y minus 2 whole square plus 16 is equal to 0. Just solving. X square plus 2x plus 1 plus 2 into y square minus 4y plus 4 plus 16 is equal to 0. So x square plus 2x plus 1 plus 2y square minus 8y plus 8 plus 16 is equal to 0. So x square plus 2y square plus 2x minus 8y plus 24 plus 1 25 is equal to 0. So this is the equation according to the old axis or original axis.